The good news is you can do this. And I'm going to encourage you, whatever you've been through, my prayers are with you, my thoughts are with you. My name is Dr. Rola, clinical psychologist, and today I want to talk to you about the difference between good help and bad help. Are you getting support that is helping you, or are you getting support that is harming you? What are the differences? One of the main differences is that when you are receiving good help, the person who is helping you cares about your safety, cares about your best interest. They're helping you in a way to keep you protected from more harm or damage. Bad help is when you're getting help from somebody, but they're jeopardizing your safety. They may be abusing you verbally, sexually. There's been stories in the news where people wanted to get help to become Olympians, to compete in the Olympics, and they were sent off to a camp. They were getting help to become professionals in their sport, but they were being abused. Help that is bad is help that you are receiving, but your best interest and your safety is not the concern of the person who is helping you. So you want to think about the help you're receiving, both in the short term and the long term. Is it helping you? Is it helping you to be safer, or is it helping you to engage in risky behaviors? Are you getting help from somebody that is encouraging you to do things that will put you in a more difficult situation? You want to make sure that your safety is important and that your best interest is important. Another main difference is that when you're receiving good help, the person who is helping you is giving you help, but they're also wanting you to be confident. They're encouraging you to feel more capable. Even though they could be honest with you about the mistakes you've made, they're also telling you about the positive qualities that you have. So it's helping you to feel that you can move forward in spite of what is going on. But when you're receiving bad help, the person is putting you down. They're telling you you're no good. They're blaming you for every mistake that you've made. And in some ways, they're amplifying the things you've done wrong, and they're minimizing the things that you've done right. So when you're receiving bad help, you don't feel confident, you feel worthless. In essence, the person is taking advantage of your vulnerability, and they're making you feel that you're not worthy. Another major difference is that when you're receiving good help, the person that is helping you is okay with you exploring other opportunities to get help. They know that they have support for you, but they don't mind you connecting with other people. But when it's negative and bad help, they want to be the only person to be the source of your help. They want you to be indebted to them for everything that is going on. If you seek help from other people, they make you feel like you betrayed them. They make you feel like you've gone against your commitment to them. That's not healthy. You don't want to focus all your help just on one person. You want to get help if the person is willing to give it, but you want to be open to other possibilities. You don't want to be connected with people who are constantly giving you help, but for the rest of your life, you have to do what they say. You're giving up your individuality, you're giving up your future, you're giving up your hope because the person is helping you. That's bad help. Another major difference is that when you are receiving good help, the person is looking for you to make plans for yourself. They're giving you guidelines, they're giving you tools, but they're okay with you finding your own purpose. They're okay with you making plans for the future. And it doesn't always have to be what they want. When somebody is giving you negative help, what are they doing? They're telling you exactly how it needs to. They have their own agenda about what needs to happen and how it needs to happen. And if you go against it, they punish you either by isolating you, withdrawing the help, or minimizing you. They take away from you your ability to find your own path. They want to control everything you do. That is why it is important for you to examine the kind of help you're receiving. If you listen to many of my videos, I've said again and again, get help, get support. That's true. But you want to examine the support you're getting. Set some standards for yourself about what you're willing to give up for the help you're getting. Don't give up your value. Even though you need help, don't lose sight of your value. Don't give up on yourself. Don't allow anybody to take advantage of your vulnerability. Don't make anybody your savior. Don't make anyone your last buster. If what they're offering to you is jeopardizing your health and your well-being, both now and in the future, you're better off walking away from it. Keep those standards closed. If one door of help closes, there are many other doors out there. Be mindful of the help you're getting. And when you get good help, take advantage of it. If you like something I've said, like this video, leave a message, and let's keep this conversation going.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Balancing Life with Dr. Rola. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and share this video. Let us know your thoughts by leaving a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. Also, Dr. Rola would love to hear from you. Visit us at AskDrRola.com. This episode was shot and produced by Simeon Fabumi, with editing done by Kemi Fadarin.